So last question I was explaining in that as I said in question paper it was a square plus x square, but so all of you will get 4 marks for that, don't worry. Question 5, it is actually 0 to a dx x plus under root a square minus x square. So I ask you to substitute x equal to a sine theta. Therefore,
Sir,
yes, what happened now?
in under root there is a square plus x square.
That is what I said. It was mistake in the question. So
Oh,
4 marks
okay, sir.
will be given to everyone. Now understood? Now happy, no?
Yes.
Okay. Dx equal to, so here what I will do, it will become a cos theta d theta. Now for limit purpose, what will happen? When x equal to 0, see, when x equal to 0 to a sine theta. When sine theta is 0, sine theta is when it is 0, tell me. Sine 0 equal to 0. So here theta equal to 0. Now a equal to a sine theta. Therefore 1 equal to sine theta. So when sine theta is 1 at pi by 2, at pi by 2. Therefore here theta equal to pi by 2. Therefore we can say theta is tending from 0 to pi by 2. So our question will be reformed as, here we can write 0 to pi by 2. Now in place of dx, what we got dx in place of, c here. Dx equal to, we got a cos theta d theta upon x. In place of x we have to write a sine theta plus under root a square minus a square sine square theta, because in place of x we have assumed here a sine theta. Okay, so this is equal to 0 to pi by 2 a cos theta d theta upon a sine theta plus, now see here a square will be in bracket and 1 minus sine square theta, it will come something like this. Please see, I'm not jumping the step. So 1 minus sine square theta here. Okay, now equal to 0 to pi by 2 a cos theta d theta upon a sine theta plus, now a square will come outside of the root, so it will become a here, and 1 minus sine square theta equal to cos square theta. So cos square theta under root is there, so it will become what? Cos theta. Okay, so next what you have to do, a cos theta d theta, and here is a sin theta plus cos theta. Now use the property. Which property? Simple property you have to use, that it let assume this one as I. From here onwards, assume this one as I. You assume this one as I. Now continue with the property here. See, what is the property? 0 to pi by 2 a cos pi by 2 minus theta. This property I was talking about. Now see, wait. From here, a will be cancelled out. We cannot keep a also. So 0 to pi by 2. Here directly you can write cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta d theta. So don't write this a, there is no use of this. Okay, this a will not be there. Now here we can write this as sine pi by 2 minus theta plus cos pi by 2 minus theta. So what it will become? It will be equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, it will become here sine pi by 2, sorry, sine theta, sorry, it will become here sine theta upon here sine pi by 2 minus theta equal to how much? Cos theta, plus here cos pi by 2 minus theta how much? Sine theta d theta. Now this will be I will assume this as also, this is also I, so take this one as 1 and this one as 2. This is also I. Adding 1 and 2. So adding 1 plus 2. What I will get? I will get 0 to pi by 2. Here you will get 2i LHS side. 0 to pi by 2. And we will get sine theta plus cos theta upon sine theta plus cos theta d theta. So we will get here 0 to pi by 2, here will be d theta only, so therefore it will become theta. Now you have to put the limit 0 to pi by 2, now equal to what you will get? Pi by 2. So here 2i is equal to pi by 2, therefore I is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so please take a screenshot. I will move to next question. Taken a screenshot. Am I moving fast or should I go some more slow?
Yes.
और slow चले या और fast चले?
No, sir, it's fine.
It's fine, okay. So next question, I think this is fifth one. Okay, fifth one completed. So sixth one, I think I have done in the lecture. Sixth type question I have done in the lecture, I think so. Okay, let it be. So sixth question we will see here. Sixth one. It is 0 to pi by 2. mod टाइप का क्वेश्चन था ये. sin x क्या है? माइनस था प्लस था? माइनस, ओ इट वाज माइनस cos x, ओके, dx से. तो मॉडुलस में पहले तो हमें कैसे करना है सॉल्व किया था. दिस इज सिंपल एनसीईआरटी प्रॉब्लम. So we know that here limit will be broken to 0 to pi by 4, and here you have to check the sign, plus again here at beginning you should not write plus. Here I will just explain what will be sign here. So you have to just see here it will be pi by 4 to pi by 2, and here again sin x minus cos x, here also sin x minus cos x dx. We don't know about their signs. First now we will check 0 to pi by 4. 0 से pi by 4 के बीच का कोई भी एक वैल्यू लेंगे हम. सपोज 0 टू pi कितना हुआ? 0 to 45 डिग्री, और उसके बीच कोई भी ले ले 30 लेते हैं, ठीक है. So now see here, sine 30 1 by 1. See here, sine 30. Just see the different color I will show you here. What will the sign here? Positive or negative? We have to see. Sine x, sine 30 equal to how much? Anyone? Sine 30 how much?
1/2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 minus cos 30.
√3/2.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Okay. Root 3 by 2. Now if you simplify, what you will get? 1 minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Now we know the value of root 3 is greater than 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So we will get here
Yes.
minus sign. We will get minus sign. Okay. Similarly, we don't know the sign here. Between pi by 4 to pi by 2, any value will take. Tell me any value. Pi by 4 कितना 45 से 90 के बीच में 60 लेते हैं. ठीक है. So sine 60 equal to how much? Just reverse of this one. Here we will get root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So here we will get plus sign. Okay. So plus will be here. Okay. So now we'll continue after this. So it will become simply minus 0 to pi by 4, and here sin x minus cos x dx plus it is pi by 4 to pi by 2, and here sin x minus cos x dx. Now this is simple integration. So integration of sin x, what is that integration? To keep minus outside. Integration of sin x, anyone?
Minus cos x.
Minus cos x. Yes, is minus cos x. Okay, minus. I have given just this minus. So minus. Now integration of cos x. It is sin x.
Sin x.
Sin x. Now should I give the limit? Yes, I should put the limit here pi by 4. Okay, plus. Now here see integration of sin x. Once again it is minus cos x. Cos x minus this minus I have given. Now integration of cos x, once again it is sin x. Okay, so now I'll put the limit here, pi by 4 to here pi by 2. Now see here, keep it minus outside. Now here is minus 1 by what? 1 by root 2, because pi by 4 I'm going to put here again minus 1 by root 2. Now 0 I'm going to put. Now here minus here 0. Cos 0 we know it is 1. So because of this minus it become minus 1 here. Okay. Now here is what? This minus and sine 0. Sine 0 is equal to what? Sine 0 equal to what? 0 only. So no need to write this. Just it will become 0 only. Okay. So this is just for minus cos x minus sin x. Minus cos x minus sin. This is completed. Okay. Now plus. Here put here minus cos 90. What is cos 90? Is 0. So minus 0 minus sin 90 minus sin 90 equal to what? Sin 90 equal to what?
1.
1. Reply please. 1. Okay. Next minus. Now putting the limit pi by 4. Again here you will get minus 1 by root 2, and here again minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Now once again where to write? Okay, see here, simplify here now. Minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So it will become what? Minus 2 by root 2 minus 2 by root 2. And here minus minus, this is plus 1. Okay. completed. Now here see plus, inside it is -1, and here it is again once again minus into minus 2 by root 2, so it will become plus 2 by root 2. Now here what I will get, simplify it. Here see minus into minus plus what, plus 2 by root 2 minus 1, and simply here -1 plus 2 by root 2. So -1 minus, now you see 2 by root 2 and 2 by root 2. Actually 2 by root 2 is equal to what? Root 2 only. Yes or no? So root 2 and this root 2, how much will get? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 and minus 2 will get. So 2 we can take common, and here root 2 minus 1. So the correct option is 2 into under root 2 minus 1. Okay. So next question. Please take a screenshot. So after taking a screenshot, are you writing in your notebook or not? After taking a screenshot, please don't leave it in your mobile itself. Please copy it from your mobile to your notebook. Are you doing that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So one day I will check everyone's notebook, whether you are writing whatever I taught till now. तुम बस स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर के छोड़ दोगे तो वो तो फिर छूट जाएगा ना. There is no use. And if you will prepare note, it will be helpful for me also, because I am not preparing any notes. Okay, so next question numbers I will see. Next question is, ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो गया आज के लिए? Oh, wait. When is your next class from? Next class is from 10 only, no?
10 o'clock.
Okay.
10.
Sorry. So we'll see tomorrow. Okay. If I continue, because then tomorrow will be my class, or else let us see today what will happen. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.